Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to disable bloom in Crosshair X. All right. So first up, you would want to go ahead and open up your game, okay, and disable your in-game crosshair first. Why is that? Because some games crosshairs includes dynamic crosshairs, where your crosshair go ahead and spread out, right? When you go ahead and press fire, it spreads out. So if you have the option to choose a static crosshair, just like what we have in Counter-Strike, well, you can go ahead and choose that option. And then if you want to add in some layers with Crosshair X, well, just go ahead and add in some crosshairs right here. Okay. For example, you have a dotted crosshair under CS2. Well, you can go ahead and add in this one. All right. Or you can just disable the game's crosshair entirely so that you can go ahead and use the static crosshairs right here from Crosshair X so that it won't spread. But we do have a ton of crosshairs with animations right here, okay, in Crosshair X, just like these ones right here. Also, bullet drops and ammo ticker, okay? Just do keep that in mind. So top pro right here, make sure to use one of these options and the bloom or the bloom effect will be gone. Or in other words, spread or dynamic. And before, Crosshair X right here got the option to disable bloom. So when you go ahead and go to designer, okay, go to animations, you'll be able to see bloom in these options, but now it's not available. But that's just basically it. Go ahead and turn off or disable your game's cursor. Now go ahead and use one of these top pros crosshairs. And after that, you'll be good to go. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.